Hey, do you enjoy golden milk? It's hidden in the creamy overnight oats jar, ready to grab from your fridge on a busy morning. Overnight oats are a blessing for individuals who have no time to cook but wish to eat healthy. Whether you are a student or a busy professional or simply do not like to cook early morning hours. Summers can get hectic and exhausting sometimes, and all you need is a ready-made breakfast to get you going. And that's exactly what these mango overnight oats are. Vibrant, refreshing, chilled, and delicious. Greetings foodies, hello and welcome back to the Smoothies Bar channel. My name is Ishwari and today I am making mango overnight oats. A hearty, healthy, grab-and-go breakfast or a quick snack prepared with oats, chia seeds, seasonal mangoes and turmeric. But what are overnight oats? If you never tasted overnight oatmeal, it's simply a no-cook oatmeal recipe. Soak the raw oats in milk instead of heating them on a stove top or in a microwave. That soaking process allows the oats to absorb the liquid and become soft enough to consume raw. You only need to soak them for 2 hours and then chill them out. But it's ideal to soak it overnight, hence the name overnight oats. The next morning you will have a lovely creamy jar of oatmeal that's ready for you to eat. The texture is similar to a porridge or a pudding. It's a quick and easy breakfast option that's more rich and creamy than a warm oatmeal. With mango and creamy oats, turmeric is a marriage made in paradise. If this looks delicious to you and you are in need of some sunshine on your breakfast plate, give it a try and see if you like it as much as I do. So without wasting time, let's get on to the recipe of this rich velvety mango overnight oats. You will need half cup rolled oats, half cup unsweetened coconut milk, 1 tablespoon whole chia seeds, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1 pinch salt, half teaspoon pure vanilla, 1 tablespoon honey. For toppings, 1/4 cup homemade granola, 1 cup chopped mango. Let's start by mixing all the ingredients together in a big glass jar. Oats and then chia seeds, which are packed with fiber and protein. Turmeric is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, as well as it adds a nice color. Salt will enhance the sweet component. Vanilla adds a floral touch to the recipe. And coconut milk, which is packed with the sweet, floral, nutty flavor of coconut. Now give it a nice mix and use a lid or plastic wrap to cover the glass container. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours, preferably overnight. Toppings can be added ahead of time or right before serving. The next day, thin with a little more milk or water if desired. I already had one batch ready for today. I used old-fashioned rolled oats in this recipe. I would strongly advise using the same as it creates an excellent texture when soaked overnight or longer. I have added the link of homemade granola recipe video in the description box. Mangoes pair beautifully with coconut. Together they are a burst of tropics in your mouth. Best of all, you get all of oats' health benefits in a tasty grab-and-go breakfast. They have a higher protein content than most grains. They are high in fiber and are a nutrient-dense snack that makes you feel fuller for longer. I am enjoying this gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free, healthy breakfast, and it's yummy too. If you have liked this video, make sure to comment, share and subscribe. Also make sure to hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications of all my future videos. Please check the description box for more details and links from previous videos. Thank you for dropping by. Eat clean.